Hello and welcome. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Amy.
And this is J&A
Travel Day.
If you ask anyone where to eat in Savannah, they'll tell you the same thing. You have to go to the Pink Mansion.
We're heading inside the legendary Olde Pink House to see if the food is actually as iconic as the building. We are at our table at Olde Pink House, and Jonathan and I were curious. It actually opened as a restaurant in 1971. It has changed owners since then, but it's been running as a restaurant for a long time, and it is beautiful. It's remodeled, but still has that Victorian vibe. You could definitely see a ghost walking through here any second.
And they still have real working fireplaces that are burning because it is cold outside again. But let's take a look at their menu. Very Southern menu, as Amy had mentioned already.
And I do love that they have under their classic beverages, the soda Cheerwine, which is a very Southern soda.
So we just ordered our food. So we got some blue crab beignets coming as an appetizer.
Should be good.
And then
I got that Max's fried chicken and mac and cheese.
And I got the shrimp and grits, which comes with cheddar grit cakes and collard greens.
And we got a little bit of a history on the house he gave us. And he also said we can explore the house after we eat. So we'll probably have to walk around a little bit. I want to see what we can see. But we learned that this is actually the oldest brick mansion in the South that's still standing, and it got its pink color because it's actually a red brick and it's painted over with white plaster. So in the summer, that brick sweats, mixes with the plaster, and turns it the pink tone. So kind of cool that it's not just a painted pink house.
We're dining in the old living room of the mansion. So there is the living room, across the way is the dining room, and we'll go through the house after we eat. And then upstairs is the kids' room and the master bedroom. Our blue crab beignets came out, so they are served with, how many did I say? Six, and they're decent size. Yeah. So they are served with an Old Bay aioli, which looks delicious. So Amy's gonna give it a try.
Okay. But I was holding off on breaking it open because he said these are light. These are light. So I'm very curious how this is. But you can see the blue crab in it. So, I mean, they look really good. Those are very good. The hint of the blue crab. It is super light, crispy. It's delicious.
Amy is really improving her description game. If you've watched our past videos, Amy calls herself out as not being very good in the moment. But light, crispy, I mean, she is just spot on with that description.
Thank you so much.
I'm going to give it a try. But it is a lighter appetizer. It's not going to stuff you. I got a beer. It is a Hopatomica, and it's made by Hostess City. And if you look at this can, it's made specifically for the Olde Pink House. It is a sour, so we're going to give it a try. I typically am not a sour drinker. I'm typically an IPA drinker, but I have to get it. It's something special. Oh, wow. Fruity. So it's got pink guava and pear in it. And it's not as sour as your typical sour. So I don't hate it. It's actually pretty good. Refreshing. If it's a hot summer day out, it's definitely something that you all should get. Lunch has arrived.
Yeah. So I got the fried chicken and mac and cheese. And am I going to go ahead and bite into this? Ooh.
So they're known for their mac and cheese.
They are known for
And they're known for their fried chicken.
And their fried chicken.
And they're known for their shrimp and grits.
Okay. So let's see. That is a real good crust on that fried chicken.
Better than a KFC.
It's better than the KFC. No, it's absolutely delicious. It's a lot of food.
Yeah, it's a lot of chicken.
It's a lot of chicken. So Bub's going to have to eat some. But
And then how's your mac and cheese?
Oh, okay. The true test. Cheesy, like that hard-ish top, soft mac and cheese. It's delicious. I'll be enjoying that.
I've got my grits cake. I have my shrimp and my collard greens. So we heard them saying that it is a locally sourced shrimp, so fresh shrimp. So I'm gonna give a try to the shrimp first. Okay, so they were a little on the chewier side. They're not super soft, but they are really delicious. And with the topping on it with the bacon, it is very good. The grits cake, let's try this. I don't think I've had a grits cake before. Amy is the one who got me into grits to start because the northern boy doesn't have grits, okay? Crispy outside, soft inside. It's very dense. I'm gonna turn this around really quick. It's a very dense grits cake, but really good. Collard greens, can't go wrong with collard greens.
You need some pepper sauce for those collard greens.
And they are also very good. It's a decent sized portion. There's probably about probably six shrimp here. So the grits cake is definitely going to be the filling portion of this meal. So we're going to enjoy our lunch, and we'll let you know our closing thoughts at the Olde Pink House.
So they encouraged us to explore the house after our lunch, so that's what we're doing. So we're in the old office when it was a bank. So super cool. We're just kind of taking it all in. There's a bridal party next door, so I'm really trying not to interrupt it. But just such a cool house.
We are in the basement of the house now. It's a 3-story house. It's really cool down here. This is where the vault was, and they made it a Prohibition style speakeasy because this is where they had their bar when the Prohibition era was going on. So just really cool decor, really old school, very hidden out of the way because you couldn't have the alcohol back in the day. One thing I was telling Amy, a lot of times these places rely on their old history or their story because of the lack of quality of food. This place, great food and a really cool ambiance. So kudos to them for keeping up their food quality with the story that they're telling. So we're just gonna continue walking through the house. We just went upstairs and we saw the master bedroom. The ballroom was beautiful. And then the office. And now we're downstairs in the basement.
Yeah, and I guess also in a previous life when this house was a bank, down here was the vaults. So super cool.
One last thing before we head out is the basement area that we were just talking about is also where a first come first serve area opens up at night. So at 5 o'clock this area opens up and it is first come first serve. 7:30 they have live music. Super, super cool area. We also learned that there are 2 rooms, the rooms that we were just in over there, you can book for little private events. So if you are a couple and you're wanting to have an anniversary celebration or an engagement celebration, you can book that room and it's just for the 2 of you. And then the other room, I believe they said holds 4, and that was discovered when they were tapping above and heard a hollow area, and they not recently, but they then cleared it out and found this whole beautiful room underneath there. So just super, super cool area to hang out. You can get a drink from the bar and just kind of chill with anyone else that's down here in the area. So we're gonna head out, but the Olde Pink House was awesome.